Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the force on a charge moving in a magnetic field. Let there is a charge plus q which is moving along this direction, making an angle theta with the magnetic field. Then it experiences a force, and the magnitude of force is directly proportional to the magnetic field. It is directly proportional to the charge and directly proportional to the component of velocity along a direction perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. This is the direction of magnetic field, and this is the component which is perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, means F is directly proportional to V sine theta. Combining these three factors, we will get F is equals to K Q V B sine theta, where K is a constant of proportionality and the value of this constant K is found to be 1. So the force experienced by the charged particle will be equal to F is equals to QVB sine theta. The force on the charged particle moving inside a magnetic field is called magnetic Lorentz force. This force is known as magnetic Lorentz force. In vector notation, the Lorentz force on a charged particle can be written as F is equals to Q V cross B. As we know, A cross B is equals to AB sine theta into n cap. In a similar manner, we can write QVB sine theta as F is equals to QV cross B. This equation gives us the magnitude as well as the direction of magnetic Lorentz force on a charged particle moving inside the magnetic field. If a charged particle moves along y-axis with a velocity v and the magnetic field is directed along z-axis, then the force experienced by the particle is along x-axis. Now we have some special cases. First, when the charged particle is at rest, means it is not moving in the magnetic field, then the force experienced will be F is equals to B into Q into 0 sine theta, which will be equal to, in this case, F will be 0. This means that a stationary charge does not experience any force due to the magnetic field. Now coming to the second, when the charged particle moves parallel to the magnetic field, here we can say as the direction of magnetic field is along this and the charge is moving in a direction parallel to the magnetic field, then F is equals to QVB, and the value of sine theta is sine 0, which will be equal to 0. This means that a particle moving charge particle experience a force inside a magnetic field only if it does not move parallel to the magnetic field. Now the third situation, When the charged particle moves perpendicular to the magnetic field, when charged particle moves perpendicular to the magnetic field, in this situation the force experienced by the charged particle will be F is equals to QVB sine 90, means F is equals to QVB, and this is the maximum force experienced by a charged particle.